Welcome to the last session of the IFC conference. Somebody very rightly said, knowledge is a big subject, ignorance is even bigger and it is more interesting. I am always fascinated by the titles, so I have chosen the title Useful Ignorance. But by using the term ignorance, I don't mean stupidity, neither do I mean any indifference to facts or information. So my paper is an exploration of what we know and what we don't know, beginning from plants to planchet in the context of traditional and modern knowledge system. So when I use the word ignorance, I mean thoughtful ignorance. When I use the word ignorance, I mean useful ignorance. And when I use the word ignorance, I mean learning ignorance. That means here, useful ignorance is used as a method where not knowing is put to work for more information and knowledge. Before I come to the main point, I would like to give you an overview of Koraput. It is one of the largest districts in Odisha, and the tribals live surrounded by the serene.
Koraput is not the largest district. Mayurabhanj is the largest district.
Yes, yes.
Mayurabhanj is the largest district.
One of the cities. Okay. Anyways, sir, thank you very much that you are alert in the final session. And the tribals live surrounded by the serene flora and fauna of Koraput, and they are divided into different ethnic tribes, and some of the dominant tribes are Kondha, Purja, Sora, Dongre. We have all heard about this. And as you all know that in Odisha there are 62 tribes, and out of 62 tribes, 52 of them reside in Koraput. And it is a treasure of, Koraput is a treasure of medicinal plants. But the tribals don't know what they know. Here I would like to say that we all live in a system which makes us both knowledgeable and ignorant. So the paper calls for an understanding of the knowledge system of local communities in Koraput and integrating the same into the modern scientific paradigm. It also aims to discover and bridge the knowledge gaps that would otherwise be ignored. So Koraput has, or you can say, there exists a unique wealth of plant-based knowledge system which is associated with the sustainable use of biological resources, which I will be discussing now. And these are the information that I have collected during the field visit. 2 days experience. I interacted with the local people. I visited a few nurseries in the local areas, and I also visited the pharmacy college located at Jaipur. This is the Guduchi plant, also called Giloy plant, and it has medicinal purposes like fever. It is used for medicinal purposes like fever, normal weakness, diabetes. And another interesting information about this Guduchi, it is also called Guduchi, is that if you take its juice daily, made of 6-inch stem, then you live longer. I don't know whether this is scientifically proved or not, but that is the belief system. Prasaruni is related to the gastrointestinal ailments, treatment of ulcers. Paru, the white base is used for digestion. Most of us suffer from high blood pressure, so I have tried to concentrate on the plants that reduces the blood pressure. So this is called Ishwar Mura, which reduces the blood pressure. Stevia, in Hindi it is called Mithi Patti or Mitha Patra, I don't know its local name. And it is a sweetener, and it is 30 times sweeter than the normal sugar. And it is safe for diabetes and can reduce hypertension. It also reduces obesity. Bacha, you will find it in the gardens of in most of the gardens, and it is used to cure nervous diseases. Satavihari, if you move around, you will find a lot of plants, and it is used to control high blood pressure. Sarpagandha, another name is snake root. It is also called snake root, and is used as an antidote of snake bite. It is used for treatment of cholera and fever. and it is also used for medicinal treatment of high blood pressure and disorders of central nervous system. This is called Hado Joda. Hado is bone, Joda is joining. This is used for bone fracture to join the bones. Sudarshana used to cure ear diseases. Varuna is used for arthritis. Rukuna, Hatha, Kocha, I am using the local names to control loose motion. Yes? Rukuni. Okay, I was informed Rukudas by some people. So, based on the cognition of the above citation, the study suggests the need to conserve and promote these resources, give a technical know-how to the local people. So, the paper is not only a way of viewing the medicinal plants and health practices in a society, but a way of viewing the society itself. It denotes that the greatest part of folk practices have an objective justification as they are truly beneficial when used in a proper way. There is a great scope for analyzing these plants on scientific lines which can benefit the mankind. Being closer to the forests, people have purposeful interaction with different plants and have communion with the divine. I'll take you to the bamboo forest, a place of deity. This is called Konta Baunsuni. Baunso is bamboo. And when you will listen to me, you will not only listen to my words, rather you will listen to the voice of the local people. Legend has it that once there lived 7 brothers with a lone sister. Once they went into the jungle for hunting. They killed a deer, but did not have fire to make it grill. They sent their sister for fire. The girl moved around and found a glow of fire at a distance. She reached the place to find an alien face. Hopeless, she was about to return when the strangers offered her fire. She took the fire from him and left. But soon she was caught in a storm. She tried to protect the fire from the blowing wind and reached her brothers. In the storm, the figure of the girl had been blown away she did not know. The brothers were stunned to see her like that and asked her to leave with a stranger. She left the house and vanished in the bamboo forest. Yes, there is a belief that the deity resides. When the girl becomes Maya in the forest, they worship the place and they tie a red cloth to it, and also they tie ghantis as an offer to the deity. And here a sword is buried to protect and conserve or preserve the forest. And the intertwined bamboo shoot is a symbolic representation of the voice echoed in the bamboo forest. The voice says that, "Touch me not, for if you touch me, you will suffer to die. You will suffer from diarrhea, you will vomit blood, and you will meet with an accident." Now let's hear the unfiltered voice of the local people, the divine communion or communication, you can say. And the deity is dissatisfied. She says, "I worship you daily. I offer you flowers. What more should I do to satisfy you?" The people are mostly dependent upon the disari, duryas and the planchet callers to get an answer to their question. How long should I worship you?
Yeah, she's
She's possessed by when the god is dissatisfied, she drives people to madness. See, this is the bamboo forest, but unfortunately the tribals fail to get the benefits of Bongso, which include healthy weight loss, control of bad cholesterol, strengthening of the immune system, possible cancer fighting properties and anti-inflammatory properties. So I received different opinions, different views. There were variations in the knowledge flows and information, and then I proceeded with the thought and would like to conclude with that thought. Any direction you proceed in has a priority or probability of being wrong, so it is good if other people are exploring in other directions. Perhaps one of them will be on the right track. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Kedra. Thank you for maintaining the time, and we are very much thankful all the presenters maintain the time and also enlighten us about the traditional fishing system along with the modern technology and idea about the Tamil traditions and also the Ravanchara and also Mughal Tamsa and very beautiful knowledge on medicinal plants and also traditional folk in among the tribals. So I would like to thank everybody and any questions to Pragya if anybody.
Just to add what you have so lovely presented, there is a big encyclopedia called Encyclopedia of Ignorance. and that lists what we don't know yet.
Yes.
And what we might.
We could put our ignorance to use. We know
Yes,
that.
absolutely.